Good day, learners. I hope you are doing well. I'm Miss Nkwe and I'm your life science teacher. I'm going to explain the project that you need to do and also have to submit to the teacher. You have 2 weeks to complete the project and you must also do it in groups. Each group should have 5 learners and the total mark of this project is 50 marks. The topic of this project is excretion in humans, but for this project we are going to focus on the kidney functioning. Remember, we have already dealt with the internal and the external structure of the kidney, but for this project we are going to focus on the function of the kidney. And for the functioning of the kidney, we are going to focus on the structural and the functional unit of the kidney, which is the nephron. So you are required to build or construct a model that represents the structure of the nephron. So for the structure of the nephron, you have to include all the tubules that make up the nephron. Remember, we have the afferent arteriole, we have the efferent arteriole, we have the proximal convoluted tubule, we have the loop of Henle, we have the distal convoluted tubule, and the collecting duct. So you have to include all those tubules that make up the nephron. So this project will teach you the concept of the kidney functioning. I will teach you how the kidney functions, but most importantly how the nephron functions. So this project will teach you all the processes that occurs within the nephron, which is the ultrafiltration, which is the reabsorption, the tubular excretion, the pH control, and the formation of urine. So you have to know all those things. It will help you to learn all those processes, that how the urine is formed, how the blood is filtrated, and all those, how the blood is filtered in our bodies. So what you need to do after building and constructing the nephron, we are going to have a 5 minutes presentation. You will be given a 5 minutes to present how the nephron functions using the model that you have built or you have constructed. After that 5 minutes presentation, I am going to ask you the question. The teacher is going to ask you the questions, which is just the random questions from your presentation, to see if you have understood the functioning of the nephron and understood what you were doing. Okay, and then after you have to write a summary report of how the kidney functions. So you're not going to only present how the nephron functions, but you're also going to write a summary report. So that is to see if you understand how the kidney functions, but mostly how the nephron functions. Remember that the nephron is the structural and the functional unit of the kidney, so that is why we are focusing mostly on the nephron. Okay, and then after that you are going to do a research where you include the diseases, all the diseases related to the kidney failure. Remember that we have real life problems that are focused on this topic. Okay, so this is to help you to learn about more of the diseases that are related to kidney failure or to kidney infections. So this will help you how to deal or how to handle those kind of situations anytime when you come across them. So it will develop awareness about the kidney failure and how it plays a role, or how it affects many people in the world. So it will help you to learn more about the treatment, how you can prevent it or how you can treat it when you come across it. So you have to do a research on that, and remember you have to have a reference to all the research that you are going to make. Okay, and then so you also have the rubric that will guide you on how to complete all this project. So remember, you have to construct a model. You are also going to do the presentation. You're also going to do the summary report and the research. So that rubric will guide you and help you on what to focus on and what you need to include in your project. So I wish you all the best, and yeah, all the best.